Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to repair this sandal. As you can see, it is ripped right here on this section. So I'm trying to use this original barge all-purpose cement glue to do this repair. Hopefully it's gonna work. So unfortunately, my wife probably keep on doing like that, bending this sandal, unless this one is a defect. Because this side is no problem. Sometimes when she walk on the carpet, she might kick the carpet and then bend this backward or something. So I don't know. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. I'm not sure if I could stuff the glue all the way in there or not. I might use like a Q-tip to get all the way in there. Let me go get some Q-tip and I'll be right back. I got some Q-tip right here. So this is great for weather stripping, car doors, windows, leather, goods, shoe repair, replace tile, and wall brackets. I didn't know you could use for wall bracket. Rubber, wood, leather, glass, cork, metal, and etc. Let me put some paper on the carpet. I want to glue it. Get on there. So with this cement glue, you gotta let it dry, and after that you're gonna bond them together. You cannot bond them while it's still wet, or else then we're gonna glue it together. So I give it about a couple minutes. So I need to hold them together for a while. And then just let it dry. That should bond together for good, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.